If you are into MLM, network marketing, affiliate marketing, or own any type of business, then you owe it to yourself to try DropCard marketing. What is DropCard marketing, you ask? Good question. DropCard marketing is simply a very low cost way to advertise your business. It involves printing your message onto a piece of paper, cardstock, or anything you can print on. Our favorite way, and the one that gets the most attention, is the $100 bill. Drop cards can be expensive, and this is why I recommend you create your own. By creating your own drop card, you can test several messages, and when you find the one that is right for you, then I recommend getting several hundred to several thousand drop cards to place everywhere or to hand out to everyone you meet. Leave a drop card with your tip. Place them in the outgoing mail. You're paying for it anyway. If you sell on eBay, include one in every package. You never know who might be in the market for whatever you are promoting. Leave a drop card wherever you go. That is why they are called drop cards. Earlier, I mentioned creating your own drop card. How, you ask? Another good question. Head over to dropcardtemplate.com where you can purchase your own template. Included with your drop card template are several instructional videos on how to make your own, and it also includes the software to do so. Once you purchase the template, you will be able to make your own drop card without any out-of-pocket expense. However, I do have a paid graphics program that will make the job easier, something you pay once for and you can use forever. I use mine almost daily in one project or another. So head over to dropcardtemplate.com and pick up your template. While you're there, grab your free bonus, 7 offline ways to promote your online business. It is a free ebook that I wrote that will provide you with several free and low-cost offline ways to promote your online business. Thank you.